East Devonport Primary is obviously really close to the port in Devonport. Kids have always grown up being pretty fascinated with the ships coming in and out. And TasPorts has been wonderful with what they've provided East Devonport Primary School over the last, however many years it's been now, working with expos on site or excursions to the Devonport Airport, down here at the port, opportunities to go on the Julie Burgess, the support that they've had from the lunch program that we've got at East Devonport Primary School.
This is our hot lunch hall where we deliver our hot lunch program every day. So our kids get a nutritious and healthy hot lunch, and that has been fabulously supported by TasPorts.
The donations that TasPort provide for that service has been absolutely really fundamental for the success of that program. So students are able to have hot lunches every day, cooked for them for free.
They absolutely love it. They're getting social skills and jobs done in the kitchen. They're getting a full belly so that they can go and get their learning done. And they're wanting to come to school every day because they know that they're getting fed, and they love being in here with everybody and that social thing in here together. So
part of the program is TasPort coming onto site, so we were able to have the Harbour Master, Captain Mick Wall, come in and discuss some of the things that he does with TasPorts.
Good morning, kids. Now, thank you very much, Mr. Lindsay, for that kind introduction.
Through the controlling of the shipping networks in Tasmania and some of the history that he's had over the years as captain travelling the high seas.
What's the favourite part of your job?
There's lots of jobs in the port, everything from driving the tugs, driving the pilot boat, making sure everything's working. So my favourite part is looking after and being part of that team.
How many vessels there are all around the world? What is your job and how do you deal with it?
If you could drive the Titanic, would you?
It opens up their horizon to the possibilities that they can do. I guess aspirations are always great with the students, but to see them channeling it down into the region of going down in a TasPort direction with things like Mick Wall coming in as the Harbour Master, the possibilities that can take you around the world and teach you amazing things.